na yung pag-introduce ko sa'yo, no? Thank you so much po dahil tinulungan mo ko dahil binawasan mo yung sakit ng ulo ko. Kasi alam mo guys, yun na pala, sumakit yung ulo ko sa kanila. Yung sabi, yes. Kasi dapat ano lang sila dapat talaga lucky 5, naging lucky 7, naging lucky 9, di ba?
So ngayon, wild cards, right? Oh, actually, kagaling nila ito.
Dahil natuwa ako, kaya talagang dinagdagan ko yung kanilang prize. Ayan, guys. Ayan po ha. Thank you so much to Rapi Don Baniquet, a graduated of computer programming major in business system, Coro Dolorosa, from Coro Dolorosa Career Center, academic and singer skills trainer at Brand International Agency, Internal Affairs Head for Operation and ayan na yan nga po. And then, host singers in all types of events. Ayan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And now,